In the name of furthering public awareness about the silent killer known as oral cancer, dentists from the Russian-American Dental Association, or Rada, and the City College of Technology's Department of Dental Hygiene donated their time and effort to the first annual free oral cancer screening for Brooklyn residents. Oral cancer affects the mouth and pharynx and is a potentially debilitating or lethal condition that can affect anyone. It was responsible for nearly 8,000 deaths last year, but it's again a silent killer. Typically, lesions are only discovered at a late stage. That's because, according to the American Cancer Society, less than 20% of oral health providers screen their patients for cancer. At most dentist offices, oral cancer screening usually is only done by request. A thorough screening typically includes an indirect examination of the nasopharynx and larynx, a manual palpation of the neck for swollen lymph nodes and other abnormalities, and checking inside the mouth for white patches, red patches, ulcerations, lumps, loose teeth, and anything else out of the ordinary. Most patients don't get oral cancer exams because they don't know to ask, but early diagnosis is associated with better outcomes and less treatment-related disfigurement. At the first annual free oral cancer screening, a team of professionals that included dentists, ear, nose, and throat specialists, and student assistants led by Dr. Gwen Brown, DDS, stood ready to screen the patients who had come out. Those patients with suspicious results were referred for a biopsy to be paid for in full by Rada, a nonprofit society of dental professionals. The first annual event was hosted by Dr. Gwen Brown, DDS, a City Tech dental hygiene professor, oral pathologist, and the director of Rada's Oral Cancer and Smoking Cessation Program. After Dr. Brown's welcoming remarks, City Tech President Russell K. Holzer, Ph.D., expressed his appreciation that such good work was being done for an important cause.
This is certainly a significant event. We are the oldest and largest dental hygiene school in New York, and we have been treating patients since 1946.
Joycelyn Dillon, chair of the Dental Hygiene Department, graciously took the time to greet everyone and share some of her feelings on the important oral cancer event. The association's president, Dr. Rada Sumareva, who has dedicated her life to oral cancer research and outreach, gave an informative and passionate speech about oral cancer. She highlighted the need for better awareness among both the general public and among dental and medical professionals.
To improve the standards of care among medical and dental professionals in timely diagnosis.
The Honorable Marty Markowitz, Brooklyn's borough president, lit up the room with his great personality and sense of humor in giving his own input and advice to the dental professionals, instructors, and honorary faculty members in the audience.
Of course, the Russian-American Dental Association, thank you as well.
The first annual free oral cancer screening is part of a larger campaign recently launched by Rada that includes educational events for dental and medical professionals, oral cancer screenings, self-check tips for patients, smoking cessation education, and an annual Kids for Kids Day and contests that teach children about the harmful effects of smoking. All funding for these services is raised through events like the Concert Gala held in May 2008 at Lincoln Center, featuring Vladimir Spivakov and the Moscow Virtuosi Chamber Orchestra, among others. Rada and City Tech hope to spread this message and continue working toward making dental health a top priority in our society.